Amy's worried. Dave hasn't shown up for their weekly marketing analytics lesson. She decides to go look for him. She finds him at the make-your-own sandwich restaurant across the road. Amy continues with their lesson.
To make smart decisions, sometimes you need to make your own metrics. For example, you make cost per acquisition by dividing costs by conversions. Average transaction value can be found by dividing revenue by conversions. And conversion rate is conversions divided by traffic.
It's time to head back to the office. Dave's still hungry.
Watch more videos at marketinginaminute.ca.